I'm very happy with the way the school, the teaching committee have treated my son. They have been very responsive towards his, educational needs. They have been attending to his queries. They have been focusing on his all-round development as a student. I think I must put it on record that the entire teaching staff of the school has been very, very good towards my son.
I am so happy my son is studying at Adil High School because all the teacher teaching is very well. All the teacher is very hardworking for all the students.
My son Sparsh Kulshrestha never wants to miss his class. He is very happy to study in ma'am's class. Ma'am's class is best.
Thanks to Riddhi ma'am and to her patience, to her support, and Prashant sir, they have been at every step, each and every time supporting me, giving me all the feedbacks, and specifically taking kids into the loop so that they get involved with the education. I know special mention to the vice principal madam. She took care of one of my requests wherein I had at the very last moment.
I want to thank you for a great educational institution like Adil High School.
These years, I have seen the teachers here putting in a lot of efforts and hard work to bring out the best in the kids. I will take this opportunity to thank all the teachers throughout these years.
हम समझते हैं कि और स्कूलों की तुलना में ये अच्छे प्रयास रहे हैं। बच्चों में जो स्थितियां कोरोना की वजह से गड़बड़ हुई थी, उसमें काफ़ी सुधार रहा है। इसके लिए मैं विद्यालय और सभी अध्यापकगण इनका आभारी हूँ।
So thank you to you and your staff for stepping up and helping our child in shaping the futures of tomorrow.
As far as her teaching method concerned, we are quite happy with her and her teaching skills.
Right. So the school has got a very good library. They have got a good playground. They have got quite a good computer classrooms with all the high technology computer systems. They've got the best software where we can deposit the fees.
Overall, all faculty members are very sincere and cooperative.
एड्रल हाई स्कूल ने हमारी काफ़ी हेल्प की है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है, और प्रिंसिपल मैम और वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम ने भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपना सपोर्टिव नेचर से हमें सपोर्ट किया है। और वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम ने तो हमारे साथ स्पेशल मीटिंग भी रखी थी एंड शी टोल्ड अस दैट वी कैन डिस्कस आवर प्रॉब्लम विद हर, और मैंने कुछ उनसे प्रॉब्लम भी डिस्कस की थी जिसका उन्होंने सोल्यूशन भी निकाला है। तो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी विद द स्कूल।
I really appreciate the management of school and activity they organize, which makes our children creative.
There's continued dedication of teaching staff towards their students, and I really appreciate that. The teaching staff takes day in and day out to make the best out of the students.
During this pandemic, I was having queries that how the quality study will be delivered, but this school, especially the teacher, handles everything very nicely, very calmly.
I want to thank for great education institute like Adil High School, believe the personality of my children. I full respect to director ma'am, vice principal ma'am for such environment of learning in the school. All teachers are very excellent and outstanding knowledge and very good method of teaching for students.
स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट इतनी अच्छी है, उनके पढ़ाने का स्टाइल इतना अच्छा है, उनका ऑनलाइन लर्निंग बहुत ही बढ़िया है। बच्चे से हमेशा तारीफ सुनता हूँ, उनकी फैकल्टी के बारे में सुना है, बच्चे कहते हैं बहुत अच्छा है। उनका मैनेजमेंट का व्यवहार बच्चों के साथ, पेरेंट्स के साथ बहुत अच्छे हैं।
Firstly, school always motivates its children to participate in different kind of activities. Secondly, there is a direct interaction between parents and teachers. And lastly, but not the least, school always takes suggestions and feedbacks, complaints.
I am Dr. Mukesh Kumar Bairwa. I am really happy and glad about this school because they have fantastic infrastructure Their management is really wonderful. They have a caring approach towards parents and students.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the school for keeping the studies continuing on this pandemic time by
talking about Edel High School, teachers is very supportive and gets connected with students in a very effective manner. Activities which are conducted during the classroom are quite a good source of learning.
I want to thank teachers, authorities who are teaching so nicely during this lockdown period. They are giving their best efforts to teach our students continuously, regularly, and so effectively.